In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the basic text editing on your product in Canva. As you can see, I have already loaded the template here. If I wanted to change the name, all I have to do is mask over the area and a box will outline the editable text area. And that is where I can type my custom name. Now all you need to do is double click on the box and change your custom name. If I'd like my text to be smaller, I can grab the sides here and spread in and out. Or I can go up to the bar here and select decrease in size. If you'd like to change the text font, all you have to do is go up to the toolbar, and much like on Microsoft or Google Docs, you can select different types of font. And what is really cool about Canva is at the bottom, you can have the option to change all of the text to the same. All the Poppins bold will all change to the CMU serif if I want. From the toolbar, you also have the option to change colors. And much like the font, you can change all the black to blue. You also have the option for bolding, italicized, underlined, and you can change up from all capital to a mixed. You can align. You have the option for your bullets or numbers or nothing. Then we have the spacing section. Here you have the option to change the letter spacing, further away, closer, and your line spacing. And there you have the basics of Canva text editing.